So do you also use IndiaMART to get more leads and inquiries for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for renewable energy business. So over here I'm running a renewable energy business and we use IndiaMART to get more leads and inquiries for our business. So now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead through IndiaMART, an automated WhatsApp message should be forwarded towards my lead so that I can nurture them. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So do you also want to create this automation for your business? Then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this tutorial, we'll explore how to send WhatsApp messages automatically to your IndiaMART leads for your renewable energy business. So engaging with potential customers in real time is crucial for increasing conversions. And WhatsApp provides a direct and effective way to share information about your solar panels, wind energy solutions, or any other renewable offerings. So by automating this process, you can instantly connect with your leads, provide a quick response, and enhance the customer engagement, all without manual efforts. So stay tuned as we'll walk you through this seamless automation process step by step. So to do this, I've simply opened the landing page of Pabbly by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy, and as soon as we're going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm just going to click on this sign in. And as soon as we're going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications, which is IndiaMART and WhatsApp, right? So I'm just going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect account. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with this automation, we simply have to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here, I want to save the workflow in this folder which says automations, and I want to name my workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for renewable energy business. And then we are simply going to click on this create. And as soon as we're going to click on this create, it is opening the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. So trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow will run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by our trigger. And that's the particular reason that we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger in a particular workflow. And to get started, we are simply going to select our trigger application. So for my trigger application, I'm just going to select it as IndiaMART. So I'm just going to search for IndiaMART right over here, and then we are simply going to select IndiaMART. And as soon as we're going to select the trigger application for the trigger event, I'm just going to select it as new leads. And as soon as we're going to select the trigger event, it is giving me a webhook URL. So we're going to use this same webhook URL in order to create a connection between our IndiaMART account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL, and then we are simply going to follow this help text, and it is saying log into your IndiaMART account, navigate to the lead manager section in the left tab, go to import export leads from the three dots, and then click on I am leads push API. Alright, so we're going to follow the same. I'm just going to open my IndiaMART account, and now from the left side of the bar, we are simply going to go towards this lead manager. And after coming over here towards the lead manager, we are going to go towards this three dots which says menu, import export leads, and then push API. And after coming over here towards the push API, it is asking me to select the source and enter the CRM platform name. Alright, so here you can see that in the help text it is clearly mentioned that choose other in the select source option and then enter Pabbly Connect in the CRM platform name. Alright, so we're going to follow the same. I'm just going to select my source as other right over here. And now for the CRM platform name, I'm just going to keep it as Pabbly Connect. And now it is asking me for the webhook listener URL. So we are simply going to paste the URL which we copied from our workflow. And then we have to click on this save details. And now it is asking me for the reason. For which reason, I'm just going to shift my IndiaMART leads to any another application. So I'm just going to select one reason from here. You can select any another reason of your choice. And then we have to click on this green button which says click to generate OTP. And now it is saying that it has successfully sent me a OTP. So I'm just going to enter the OTP right over here. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered my OTP and I'm just going to click on this submit. And yes, you can see that with this, we have successfully added our webhook URL into our IndiaMART account. And you can see integration live. So with this, we have successfully created a connection between our IndiaMART account and our Pabbly Connect's workflow. But now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. And in the notes, it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission or record. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to open my CRM push API and over here you can see the button of test your webhook listener URL. So I'm just going to click on this test your webhook listener URL and then once again over here towards the test button. And yes, you can see that now we have received this curl request header. This means that we have successfully tested our webhook listener URL. And now what has happened is that IndiaMART has sent the details of a test submission to our workflow. And yes, over here you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. You can see all the details received. You can see the unique query ID, you can see the subject, the state, the pin code, the phone number, the name and the mobile number too. But you may notice that this subject doesn't align with our business. So what happens is that I'm using a test IndiaMART account. So I receive the test details or the default details every time I do a test submission, which are not related to my business always. But if you're using a live IndiaMART account, you're definitely going to receive the details related to your business of your live leads only. Alright, so you can see that I have received these details and upon receiving this webhook response, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step. And now what will happen is that as soon as a new lead is received through my IndiaMART account, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. Alright, so we're going to move on forward. Now what I want is I want to send WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads. So for my action application, I'm just going to select it as Pabbly Chat Flow. So over here, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chat Flow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a new feature by Pabbly which helps you to send automated WhatsApp messages, create chatbots and many more. Alright, so yes, you can see that I've already logged in my Pabbly Chat Flow account. And in order to use this Pabbly Chat Flow account, you first have to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Alright, so to add WhatsApp numbers, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given right over here. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this learn more hyperlink given right over here and show you how you can add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Alright, so you can see that you're going to get steps to add the WhatsApp number. Also, you're going to get a video tutorial of how to add WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chat Flow account. You can refer to this document and do the same. I've already added my WhatsApp number as you can see the same. So I'm directly going to open my Pabbly Connect's workflow and select the action event as send template message and click on this connect. Now it is asking me to add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already connected your Pabbly Chat Flow account with your Pabbly Connect's workflow, you can also click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and now it is asking me for the token. And to get this token, we simply have to follow this help text and it is saying log into your Chat Flow account, navigate to the settings and then select API and webhooks and then copy the API token. Alright, so we're going to follow the same. I'm just going to open my Pabbly Chat Flow account and now from the left side of the bar, we are going to go towards this settings, API and webhooks. And after coming over here towards this API and webhooks, we have to click on this blue button which says generate API token. And now with this, we have successfully generated the API token. So I'm just going to copy this API token and we are simply going to paste it right over here in our workflow. workflow. And after pasting my API key, we simply have to click on this save. And as soon as we're going to click on this save, yes, you can see that with this, we have successfully connected our Pabbly chat flow account with our Pabbly Connects workflow. And now it is asking me for the recipient mobile number. So here I'm just going to enter the mobile number of my lead, which I've received through IndiaMART. But we are not going to enter the mobile number manually or by copy pasting it, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step, where we selected IndiaMART as our trigger application. So we are simply going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. And as soon as we're going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So over here I'm just going to map the mobile number. So I'm just going to look for mobile number in the previous response, and as you can see the same, so we are simply going to map it. But over here you can see that in the help text it is clearly mentioned that enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code, but without the plus sign. But you can see over here the plus sign is included. So we are simply going to remove this plus sign from this response. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to add another action step between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow to remove this plus sign. I'm just going to search for my action application, which is text formatter by Pabbly. So it is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to format the text. For the action event, we are going to select it as split text and click on this connect. Now for the text to split, I'm just going to map the mobile number of my lead. We're going to move in forward. For the separator, I'm just going to keep it as plus, and then for the segment index, I'm just going to keep it as second, and then we are simply going to click on this save and send test request. So as you can see that we have successfully received the mobile number without the plus sign but with the country code. So now I'm just going to map the response of this text formatter by Pabbly right over here in the mobile number. Alright, so now we're going to move on forward towards the template name. So it is asking me to select one template right over here, and to let you know more about this template, I'm just going to open my Pabbly chat flow account once again. Alright, so now from here you can see in the left side of the bar we have got the option of templates. So we're just going to go towards this template list from the left side of the bar, and over here you can see all the templates which I have already created. And if you want to create a new template, you can go towards this add new template button right over here, create a new template right from here. If you want to learn how to create a new template, I'm just going to attach a video for the same right over here. You can refer to that video and create your own template. But I've already created a template, so I'm just going to go towards this template list, and over here you can see all the templates which I have already created. And in order to send automated WhatsApp message towards our IndiaMART leads, I'm just going to use this template, which is IndiaMART leads message. Alright, so I'm just going to select the same template name right over here, which is IndiaMART leads message. And after selecting the template name, it has already detected the header type, so we don't have to change this. It is asking me for the header parameters, so if you wish you can definitely enter it right over here. But my template doesn't have any header parameters, media URL, file name, or any of these URL variables. So if your template has this, you can definitely enter all of these. But as you can see that my template doesn't have any of these, so I'm just going to leave all of these as blank. And now it is asking me to enter the body parameter, example leads name. So here, to let you know about this body parameter, I'm just going to open my template once again. And yes, you can see that this is my template, which is hello1. So you must be noticing that this one is in curly brackets right over here. So this one is a variable right over here. So yes, what will happen is that I want that this one should be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my lead receive a more personalized and automated WhatsApp message. So I want to replace this one with the name of my lead, so that I can send an automated WhatsApp message like hello demo, hello test, or anything like this. So I'm just going to map this value of 1 right over here in the body parameter field 1, which is lead's name. So I'm just going to look for sender's name in the previous response right over here, and as you can see the same, which is Prabhat, so I'm just going to map it. Now after mapping all the details which are required, I'm simply going to click on this save and send test request. But before clicking on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number, so that I can show the response and the message received. So yes, you can see that I've changed my mobile number, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. And as soon as we're going to click on the save and send test request, yes, you can see status success, message sent. So yes, with this we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to our lead. So now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and check for the WhatsApp message received. And yes, you can see that we have successfully received an automated WhatsApp message which says, "Hello Prabhat, thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART," and the rest of the message. So yes, you can see that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to Prabhat. Alright, so now I'm just going to open my Pabbly chat flow account, and now from the left side of the bar, we are simply going to go towards this inbox section. And yes, over here you can see that not only sending of WhatsApp messages, but we can also track the status too. You can see sent, delivered, and then read status right over here. Not only this, you can also send and receive WhatsApp messages through this inbox only of your Pabbly chat flow account. Such a useful feature, right? So yes, with this, we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to our IndiaMART lead. But you have to keep in mind that within 24 hours, you can send only 2 automated WhatsApp messages to a particular lead until and unless they reply back. Alright, so yes, with this, we have successfully completed our workflow and we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to our IndiaMART lead. Not only this, now whenever we receive a new IndiaMART lead, automatically a WhatsApp message like this would be forwarded towards that lead. Only the name will change so that each of your lead receive a more personalized WhatsApp message. And for that, you don't have to come back and again to your workflow to click on Save and Send Test Request. This workflow is going to run in backend and you can just sit back and relax. So yes, this was it for the video, and if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. So if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.